As you know, BioVivacious is a YouTube channel dedicated to clear fundamental concepts of biosciences. Today, let us look at the mechanism by which NADH from the cytoplasm is brought into the mitochondrial matrix through malate aspartate shuttle. A very important pathway, that is the malate aspartate shuttle. So let us deal with that. NADH molecules, you know that NADH molecules are mostly produced in the through beta oxidation. But there are sufficient quantity of NADH produced in the cytoplasm through glycolytic pathway. We have seen that elaborately. NADH is a large molecule and it has to be brought inside. How to bring this large molecule inside? There is a beauty in that mechanism evolved over a period of time. This mechanism is known as malate aspartate shuttle. Okay, it is called the malate aspartate shuttle. It is shuttling molecules. So let us see how it all begins. So therefore, it begins with the oxaloacetic acid. It begins with the oxaloacetic acid. So short form, not writing the structure at the moment, it begins from here. Now oxaloacetic acid, it can be converted to malate. So the enzyme is malate dehydrogenase enzyme, and this will happen in the cytoplasm. Okay, in the cytoplasm, oxaloacetic acid is converted to malate. Now also remember that in order to convert, it's a keto acid, you need an NADH. Assume this is the NADH which we want to transfer inside. So therefore, this NADH, by converting malate, it gets oxidized to NAD+. Where is the hydrogen that we want to transport inside? It is in malate now. Now assume this is the inner mitochondrial membrane. Inner mitochondrial membrane. Now in the inner mitochondrial membrane, there is a protein. The name of the protein is, it is dependent on the amino acid which will also be brought in. So therefore, it's a malate alpha ketoglutarate translocase. So we will write a translocase here. Now this translocase, it is an antiport mechanism. Antiport means when one thing is given that way, another molecule has to come inside. So therefore, malate is brought out. So here is the malate. Okay, malate is brought out. Now by the translocase, we will see what is brought in. Now this malate will be converted to oxaloacetic acid. Now enzyme is MDH, but that MDH is mitochondrial MDH. This is cytosolic MDH, mitochondrial MDH, and isoenzyme. Now in order to convert this malate into oxaloacetic acid, remember we need an NAD+, and that NAD+ will become NAD. The hydrogen is the hydrogen which we have transferred from the cytoplasm. You see, the entire NADH is not transported into the mitochondrial matrix. What is transported is only the hydrogen. Okay, only the hydrogen is transported. So now NADH is made available in the mitochondrial matrix for electron transport chain. This is a beauty. Well, this is only one part of the reaction. Only one part of the reaction. There is another side to this reaction. What happens to this is, this oxaloacetic acid which is formed in the matrix, now it will undergo a transamination reaction. You can add an amino group to this because this is a keto acid. The amino group contributor is glutamate. Okay, glutamate transferring an amino group to oxaloacetic acid, you know that it will become aspartate. Okay, it will become aspartic acid. What will happen to glutamate? It will become alpha ketoglutaric acid. Okay, so glutamate becomes alpha ketoglutaric acid, and so this is by an enzyme called transaminase. Aspartic acid is formed. Now, what is the fate of aspartic acid? Here there is another transporter, translocase. This is an aspartate translocase. This aspartate is brought here into the cytoplasm. In the cytoplasm, this aspartate is converted to an oxaloacetic acid. So what will happen? You need a keto acid to receive this amino group, and that keto acid is going to be alpha ketoglutaric acid. It will get converted to glutamate. So therefore, glutamate will be the antipode of aspartate. It is transported. This alpha ketoglutarate is formed. As we have seen earlier, the antipode for malate is alpha ketoglutaric acid. You see how a second pathway also got operated in order to transport H plus ions from the cytoplasm into the mitochondrial matrix. Okay. So by using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 enzyme, this is another transaminase. Don't get confused because the same color is used. This is another transaminase, cytosolic transaminase is used. So this is the overall malate aspartate shuttle that is used for transferring protons from the cytoplasm into mitochondrial matrix.